What's the meaning of backstroke? Backstroke. Backstroke.
Backstroke. Backstroke. Backstroke is a swimming style in which the swimmer lies on their back, with their face pointing upwards, and moves through the water by executing a backward arm stroke and a flutter kick. It is one of the 4 primary swimming strokes used in competitive events, alongside breaststroke, butterfly, and freestyle, also known as front crawl. The backstroke can alternatively be executed on one side, in a position known as the side stroke. Backstroke is popular for its efficiency in conserving energy and providing optimal breathing opportunities, making it an ideal choice for longer distance swims. In addition, it provides a full body workout, working the upper body, core, and leg muscles.